Oh, Amina got splashed on her face. It'd be cool if there was a bear in there that you could see. You can hear him. There's a duck up there.
Hello, ducky friend. A real duck?
A real live duck.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down.
I can't wait. Good.
Straight down.
The mine shaft.
You're right.
Come on, where's the water? There's the water. There's the water. It splashed right in my shoe.
Oh, my shoes! Oh my god! I know he did. I know, I forgot. It wouldn't have mattered.
Yeah, I got splashed too. It dumped right in my shoe.
I did not like that. I love this.
There's another duck.
Okay, there's another one.
A duck. Yeah.
Oh no. I hate this.
Yes.
You hate this?
Bring it on.
It's okay.
Okay. This is a big one, guys.
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeehaw! Let's go. Woohoo! Woo! Going around. Still going.
Oh no. Years?
Yeah, that's all I had there.
Oh, that was fun. That was fun.
Yeah, that was. I love
I
it.
told you. You see?
Yeah.
Haha.
Welcome, rafters. Please move all the way down before taking a seat. And please fasten your seatbelt and secure your personal belongings.
Look at this brave guy. No pants, no jacket.
What? That's
Brave.
Hello, everyone. Be sure to move all the way down before taking a seat. And please fasten your seatbelt